Hello guys, welcome back to Tongli Agriculture channel. Today we are introducing about the 200,000 tons per year power granulation line. There are so many power granulation lines in China because farmers want a high nitrogen content fertilizer. Therefore, the power method is a suitable one for making high nitrogen content NPK fertilizer. So, and as you can see, after the granulated power, the finished product fertilizers will, after collected by the rotating scraper, it will have a conveyor belt that sends all the raw materials to the rotating screening machine. And it's similar to the one that in the granulation line, the fortified side particle will enter the proceeding step, which the unfortified side will be collected by the funnel on the bottom and sent back to the conveyor belt for reprocessing. And then the reason why China has so many power granulation lines is because they have a very high productivity. But in terms of investment, it is more expensive than that of the granulation line. Because the power granulation will need a 128 meters granulation power, which the civil construction cost is very high. So basically, you can see power granulation line. Basically, you can see this is the power granulation line that is operating. So yes, guys, I think this is the other part of our power granulation.